Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, February 17th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Our first trade of the day from left to right. Some people try to short in gold. It was a market on open trade. I told everybody they wanted to take this thing down, but it might not be ready yet. We have to see how things shake out in the morning. For people who shorted there, we did take the short, added, easily able to get out at break even. Again, not everybody took it, but where this move that happened here could have certainly happened over here, and then people who weren't in it would have missed the trade. So that was a break even trade there. When it came back down, we hit it again, and that trade worked from 41.2 all the way down to 38.2, so about 30 ticks. For those people who got out there somewhere in here just because they didn't want to deal with it anymore, they would have made up to about 13, 14 ticks. And then we got it again. I said you could do an add-on for more money or a new entry. So it was actually up to 30 with an add-on, or if you got out, you have a new entry. It would have been a power play, 39.5. And that one made about 13 ticks or so down there. Not a whole lot of follow through on that. On crude, we tried a long. Told everybody here that this thing should start going pretty soon, otherwise it's going to be a problem. We got long. Some people got risk-free, but for the people who didn't, I told everybody if it comes up here, we want it to get above 66. Never did, came back down. This time I said, look, if it doesn't get above 66 this time, it's going to be a problem. We get out of the trade. Everybody said they were out, so it was called off. And sure enough, now if you would have added, we would have had to add down here. We would have never gotten stopped out. Actually, it would have been close, but we would have, by about 4 ticks, we would have never been stopped out. And then when it came up here, we would have been able to get out and lose a tick or two. But I didn't want people to have to go through that because this was going to be a potential issue here. And then in the ES, we try to trade a long, an S play, made a point, no follow through. So it was either a point or a break even. We got a holiday on Monday, President's Day. So we'll be back on Tuesday. I want everybody to have a great weekend. And until then, we'll see you back next week.